Let me be honest, when people say Temu discount codes don't work, most of the time, it's not true. I thought the same thing at first. I tried a discount code, saw nothing change at checkout, and immediately assumed it was expired or fake. But after actually testing this a few times, I realized there's one very common mistake that blocks the savings completely. Before I explain it, I've put the current working Temu discount code right here on screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of extra codes Temu is running right now. Now here's the mistake. Most people only enter the discount code, but never actually apply it. On Temu, redeeming a code and using a code are two different things. Here's how it's supposed to work. First, open the Temu app, go to You, then tap Coupons and enter the discount code there. Once you redeem it, the coupon gets added to your wallet. Now this is the step people miss. When you go to checkout, you must tap Available Coupons and manually select the discount you just redeemed. If you don't tap it, Temu simply ignores the code, and that's why it looks like nothing happened. I tested this myself. Same cart, same items, same code. One time I didn't select the coupon, no discount. Second time I tapped it, price dropped instantly. That's when it clicked. So if your Temu discount code isn't working, go back and check if it's actually selected. Try it now with the code on screen, and if you finally see your total drop, comment what you saved. I like seeing when it works.